Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 25 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to use color swatches inside of Adobe InDesign. So over here you see that there's the swatches panel, and by default there are a number of colors, and you may want to create new colors right there. So in order to create new colors, you can actually select your own color just like this. So just click and drag shapes over here. And then over here on this section, if you want to fill this up with a color, you can go to the fill section right here, double click and choose a color right here. You can also select right here, over here, and then double click on this panel, choose a color right there. So now if you want to see this color is not listed on the default swatches. So what you can do is now you can select this color, click the new color right here, and you can see that the swatches actually get generated just like that. You can also click over here and then click the new layer icon, and you can see that that color has been generated, and you can also adjust the tint of the color as you can see right there. You can also alternatively go over here onto this section and then you can say new color swatch, and what it does is it brings up a menu. So you have one CMYK for print and RGB for screen design. So let's say for CMYK you want to choose a color just like this. So just slide down and choose the color that you want to add in and press OK, just like that. And you can also go over here, new color swatch right there, and then go to RGB, and you can see that there's RGB color right there. So this is good for screen. You can also alternatively enter codes over here. So you can go over here, go to new, let's say color swatch over here, and then select the RGB and then just add in the color code if you know how the color code work in. So you can just type in the color code that you want to add in and press OK, and that brings out that swatch as you can see there. So you can also take samples from pictures to create your own swatch. So you can actually import a picture over here. So let me just go to place right here. And inside a place, let me select a picture right here. Okay, so let me just resize that picture out here. Okay, so resize this picture right here. I'm gonna fit this onto the frame. So I'm just gonna go to object and into fitting, fit content proportionately. All right, there you go. So now what you can do is you can take a swatch. So you can just click it here. And then you can see that it actually brings up this swatch. Alright, so let me just take a sample right here. So let me just go to new color swatch right there, and you see the color picker here. So just click on the color picker and click and drag it. Okay, so like just click and drag it, and you can see that you'll find the color of the swatch right there. So you can just click and drag over here. You can see this is how it works, and that is how the swatches actually appears. So now new color swatch right here, click and drag, and then drag it over here and then press OK, and there you go. That's how the color swatches actually works out. So that is how the color swatches actually works out inside of Adobe InDesign. So over here you can also duplicate swatches and name the color groups. You can create a folder of the swatches, create a new folder, and then click and drag the color, the folder just like this. So click and drag, and you can see that all the colors can be arranged out in a folder just like this. So you can see that is how it works out. So this is how you can create custom color swatches inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.